Hello everyone, my name is Steven. In this video, I'll demonstrate how Poshier helps organize your restaurant by managing the kitchen cooking process and delivering dishes to your customers. Let's take a look at the setup. To simplify things, I've placed the components side by side with labels. The first unit is used to manage the status of each dish. It should be positioned near the kitchen to collect dishes and remain visible from anywhere in the restaurant. The second unit is for placing orders. This can be set up at a station for all staff to use or held by the staff responsible for taking orders from customers. Both units on the left are kitchen displays. You can install them in both the kitchen and the bar. I'll provide more details on this later. First, I'd like to show you how to remove functions that are not relevant to the kitchen. To do this, go to the Settings, scroll to the POS section, and then scroll down to the bottom. Hide everything except for the kitchen function, and restart the app to apply the changes. Next, let's set up the main kitchen to take orders for items like soup, pasta, steak, and more. Tap this button, uncheck drink and dessert from the list, and then tap Save. Now let's set up the bar. In the kitchen display below, tap the filter button, uncheck everything except for drink and dessert, and then tap Save. Great! Now, the top kitchen display will accept orders for soup, pasta, and steak only, while the bottom kitchen display at the bar will handle drinks and desserts exclusively. Let's give it a test. First, we'll take an order from Table 1. They are ordering a regular latte and a cup of hot jasmine tea. Tapping the Confirm Order button will send these items to the bar since they fall under the drink category. Next, let's add tomato soup and fettuccine alfredo to the same table. As you can see, both items are now added to the main kitchen display above. Now, let's talk about the kitchen display. When dishes are added, their status shows as queuing, meaning they are waiting for the chef to start cooking. This area displays the name of the dish along with any associated options. For example, here we have the hot jasmine tea. You'll also see a timer indicating the time since the order was placed, as well as the table number. If you have a printer connected, you can use the print button to generate a receipt for this dish. Some restaurants prefer this method to organize the kitchen. When the chef begins cooking or preparing drinks, they can tap once, turning the item red and changing its status from wait to cook. Now, the latte and tea are ready. Tap the complete button to mark the status as ready, and the table will start flashing. The number here indicates that this table has ordered 4 items, and 2 of them are now ready for collection. This way, your staff can easily spot the flashing table, allowing them to collect the dishes from the kitchen and mark the status as served. To change the status from ready to served, simply tap the flashing table and then tap the ready button. You can tap again to restore the previous status if needed. Exit the view and the flashing will stop. Now, while the main kitchen is preparing the dishes, let's see how things are progressing. Great. Now, let's add some more items for this table and another table, and let your staffs and the chefs in the kitchen and bar to handle the orders. Lastly, let's look at how to build the table. As you can see, all item statuses have now changed to served. Tap the dollar button here to process the payment. You'll see the billing details displayed. Tap the Checkout and Print Bill button, and if it's connected to a printer, a receipt will be printed. Present the receipt to the customer and collect the payment, then return to the station for any change. Finally, tap the Pay button to complete the transaction. Now, Table 1 is free for another round of customers. Awesome! Poshier can greatly enhance your restaurant's efficiency by streamlining food orders between the kitchen and the servers in a straightforward manner. With Poshier, you can ensure that every dish is tracked and managed effectively, leading to improved service and customer satisfaction. If you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.